Guess what? Canva just dropped 4 fresh new animations for us to use on our YouTube videos. Let's go to the screen and I'll show you what I mean. And in order to show you the skill, I'm just going to give you several shapes. Shape number 1, we'll go to animate. We go down and you can click rotate and it will rotate the element, photo, video, text even, whatever it is. You can make it turn to the right or turn to the left. If you have Canva Pro, then you can speed it up or slow it down. The next one, flicker, and it just flashes. And again, if you have Canva Pro, you can speed it up or slow it down. Next one, remember you go to animate and then we're going to go to pulse. And pulse doesn't fade out like flicker does. It just pulses. And just like flicker, if you have Canva Pro, you can speed it up or slow it down. Let's look at the next one. It is called wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. So it just wiggles it. And just like the others with Canva Pro, you can speed it up or slow it down. Here's the fun thing about motions. You can combine them. If I go down here, you're going to see that rotate is on. I could actually also flicker it or pulse it while it's rotating. Removing the animation isn't as simple as just clicking it again. You have to click this button, remove animation, in order to get rid of it. It's a little tricky. So if you decide you want rotate and pulse instead of rotate and flicker, or rotate and wiggle, but you no longer want it to pulse, then click on pulse and remove animation. You can also do this with text animations. Same thing, rotate, flicker, pulse, and wiggle. So watch this. If I click animate, I can wipe it and at the same time add a pulse if I would like. I like to use this when I'm doing a video, and we're gonna grab a video from the uploads folder. Keyboard shortcuts have a knack for magically disappearing when you need them the most. And in this video, I accidentally had my socks and towels showing. So what I'm gonna do is double click, and then I'm just going to stretch this out so that the socks are no longer showing. And then I'm going to click out of it. And I'm going to go to the Elements tab and search for the word subscribe. I can go to graphics at this point and even just grab this one. This one's free. I want to show you that you can do this one absolutely free. We're going to shrink it down. Let's just set it up here at the top. We're going to click on it, click animate. We're going to go with stomp, on enter, and then I'm going to go down and add that pulse. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. So I'm going to do a little check and see what I think. Keyboard shortcuts have a knack for magically disappearing. I want it to stop right there. So I'm going to click S on my keyboard and I'm going to get rid of it on the second page. And now let's look again. Keyboard shortcuts have a knack for magically disappearing when you need. Now I'm going to go back to that stomp animation because I've got it a stomp, and I'm going to click it on both now and see if I like that. Keyboard shortcuts have a knack for magically disappearing. I would take this clip and I would insert it into my external video editor. Since it is a small clip, I know that this clip was really a smaller part of a bigger project. And all I would need to do is click share, download both pages if I would like, and insert it into my external video editor. Here is a 58-second video that I did. And on this page, I used a pulse animation. And if you want to have your question bumped up to the top of the list, leave a super chat. You're going to want to watch this video right here next because it's going to share with you 6 tips that I bet you didn't know that you can do in Canva for your YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.